Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be making back to school supplies for our dolls. So I want to make this craft easy so you all guys can make it, because some people don't have some type of stuff. So let's make it out of simple items like a magazine. Will perfectly do with my dolls, because I like more like a Barbie person with like 11 to 12-inch dolls. These will work for art class. Oh, I think we can do these glitter. Cut out every picture, but now we can't give the dolls flat pieces of paper. They want something 3D. So what you're gonna do is something really fun. Take scissors, glue, and craft foam. Yeah, you heard it right. Some paper tabs like this one. So you're gonna let it dry, and this piece of, and glue it on white paper. Look something like that. So in the meantime that dries, let's cut the others. So this little marker, I don't know, it could be on any color of craft foam. So I'm gonna glue it on the white as well. It doesn't need to be cut, so I'm just directly gluing it on the craft foam. Yeah. Next we have erasers, and this is a big pack for our dolls. So cut and glue, 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 and glue. And glue this on. And carefully take the tabs and glue it onto the white paper. So if you see here, I have here a blue one. So when I cut it out, like, it's blue, so when I'll cut out its area, here you can see instead of white craft foam, I'm going to glue this on blue craft foam just to give it a better look. So this is what I had. And you can also, if you also don't have cardstock, you can just take recyclable paperboard like cereal boxes and cut them and overlap them, but before, and then you have to kind of paint it. So yeah, craft foam is like the quickest and easiest, so I prefer craft foam. And you're gonna let that dry, and I'll glue this on, and then we'll wait to dry, and then we'll finish it off. Now let me show you how to assemble everything. So this and this has dried. I cut it out except this one. So what I'm gonna do is apply glue, and then take this, put it on over, and fix it. And voila! It's 3D now. So now you're just kind of letting it dry and then cut it out. Boom! Now let's cut it carefully. And we cut it out, guys. It looks so cute. So let me see here. Wow, there's so many cool things we made. For this one, I forgot to cut the top here. If you can see, it's like 3D. Also, the top is 3D. But it doesn't look that horrible. But I kind of like these designs a little more with the holes top. This one is like my favorite. My top. This one. So guys, I hope you had fun in this video. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Make it and give it to your dolls. Your dolls are gonna love it. Bye!